Hi guys, I'm Alistair from Bird's Auto Parts.
And I'm Jan, and today we'll be unboxing some of your favorite LiquiMoly products.
Firstly, we have the LiquiMoly Engine Flush Plus.
Alright, so the Engine Flush Plus is a highly effective cleaning fluid that clears the engine's interior of troublesome deposits, and it brings all types of oil-based residues into suspension and removes them from the oil circuit during the next oil change.
So basically, we recommend that this product is used before your next oil change. You can always consult with your mechanic, or you can actually consult the label for the instructions on how to use. So we have the LiquiMoly Octane Plus.
For that extra
Well, that must mind it on me, all right?
This is a self-mixing combination of active agents for universal use. It prevents engine damage due to knocking combustion by improving fuel performance and lowers fuel consumption.
So the LiquiMoly Octane Plus is suitable for all gasoline type engines and grades, and it's also suitable to be used on up to 50 liters of fuel.
Alright, so it's time for the next product, and we have the Super Diesel Additive.
So this product boosts your cetane number, it improves the ignition performance of the diesel engine, and it also ensures smooth engine running.
So wait, so octane is for gasoline and cetane is for diesel?
That is correct. Yeah, bright girl, you know? I will tell you.